Hey YouTube, what's going on today? I know. Look, I'm a Gerber junkie, okay? I like a lot of their knives. Some of them I think are phenomenal. Others I think are just complete freaking duds. But I got another one in today. This one I've been wanting to bring to the shop for a long time. And it's finally here. So stay tuned right after we roll that intro. And we're going to get into this guy. Alright guys, thank you for staying past that intro. As you saw, we're going to take a look at the Gerber U.S. Assist S30V. Now, before we get too far into this one, for those of you wonderful guys who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please take a moment, go ahead and do that, because it's really going to make my day. Alright, so, this one I had been wanting to bring for a while, simply because I thought it was pretty badass how it looked online and some of the reviews I read about it. There it is. Now, the first thing that grabbed me, you guys know I love doing this with the Gerber blades. This one's made in the USA in my old hometown of Portland, Oregon. So you know it's going to be a higher end knife because they send the lower ones over, the lower end over to China for some reason. Now, this one does have b.o.s.s tech in it. Now, if you don't know what b.o.s.s tech is, it's balls of stainless steel. I know. I'm going to pause a second while you go ahead and laugh. Alright, we're done. Now, the only way I can kind of figure this out is the b.o.s.s tech is kind of similar to CRKT's IKBS system. Now, the b.o.s.s tech provides, Gerber's smoothest, most consistent deployment system available. Now, the balls reduce friction for seamless open. Alright, well, let's take a look. I think it ratchets up pretty damn quick. Of course, now that I said that, hey, hit or miss, right? But I love it. It comes up firing, it comes up ready to go, and man, does it ever lock in place. Alright, now the stats on this guy. Well, wait, before I even go, I want to talk about the fit and finish. I love the handle. I love how it just fits right in your hand. They have this little swoop right in here, so it makes it easier for your fingers to get a really good grip. Now, I know you could call that a finger chorl, but I wouldn't, because I don't want my fingers without some kind of more pronounced guard down here getting that close to a cutting surface. I love that stonewash finish. I mean, those are seriously some of my favorite on blades, is that stonewash. I do like the fact, and I showed this on a shark belly, I believe it was. I'm going to try to leave a card right up here for that shark belly review. Go ahead and check that one out so you can see what I'm talking to, and then come on back to this guy. They say it's like scratch proof and everything else, but I'm sure that's going to get put to the test sooner or later. The only thing I didn't like was it moves. Alright. Now, I had this problem before on a video I filmed earlier with another blade, so I'm sure I probably just got to get in here and tighten that down just a little bit, and that's going to solve that issue. Alright. Now, as I was saying, here comes the stats. It's got an overall length of 7.2 inches. The blade is 3.0. Enclosed, it's 4.2 inches. Now, it's got an okay weight to it of 3.9 ounces. It's got a little heft, but not too much that it's kind of pulling your pocket or weighing you down. Now, the blade material is CPM, Charlie, Papa Mike, S like Sierra, 30, V like Victor. It's got a good, God-blessed steel on it. Not 5CR, 13 MOV, or 8CR 17. It's an expensive steel, which probably means why it was produced in the United States. Now, I do love the fact it's got the drop point style, which are seriously some of my favorites for pocket knives. It's got a fine edge with a flat grind. Now, the handle, I'm just getting so used to it, it's not even funny. It's glass-filled nylon, which is code for plastic. I love how it's pretty much centered perfectly right out of the box. Now, the pocket clip, I mean, this thing disappears in your pocket, and you can either do it tip up or tip down. That's what that hole's for. Okay? The only problem is, it's only right-hand side. There's nothing for lefties to do it inside the pocket clip. So I'm betting that's why they also gave you this great little lanyard hole, put some paracord, pull, come right out of your pocket. Now, I do love these ramped up thumb studs. It feels good when you're pushing. It doesn't feel like you're slipping off. It feels like you have control of opening that blade at all times. Now, there is the plunge lock, as you've seen me do. Or the other part that I love is the little safety mechanism right there. Now, with everything else, red, you're dead. You can open that. Closed. You're not opening crap. Alright, now here comes the part everybody seems to like more than anything. Just regular 550 cord. Alright, now let's do this one. This is just a pull. Damn! That just popped that sucker, no problem. Let's try a little slice. Wow. So, we know it comes pretty friggin' sharp right out of the box. Now, like we're usually trying to do lately, I took a look at the cost and ratings on 3 different sites on this guy. Amazon, Gerber, and Blade HQ. Over on Amazon, this is going to run you $73.69, plus you're going to get free shipping. Gerber, it's going to run you $104, and on Blade HQ, basically $100, $99.99. Now, on the ratings on Blade HQ, it's 5 out of 5. And I've said this before on other videos. I don't trust Gerber's rating system because I've seen a lot of 1s and 2s and 3s. 4 out of 5 stars. So law of averages is not going to get you 4 out of 5 when I'm seeing a bunch of 1s. Now, the thing that got me is people didn't like the plunge lock and they didn't like how it felt in their hand, so they gave it a 1. I didn't get it. Now, over on Amazon, it got 3.9 stars out of 5. Even again, over there, people thought, you know, oh, I'm paying too much money, I don't like the opening, I don't like the plunge lock, and a lot of people marked it down because of the wire clip, which I thought was kind of ingenious because it seemed to add something to it. But, you know, those are my thoughts, guys. I like it, I love it, I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5. But I want to know what you think, as always, down below. Leave me your questions, your comments, your hatred, your anger, whatever, man. I want to hear from you. Let me know what you think on this guy, because honestly, on this guy, it gets a noise. Thumbs up. Noise. Now, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to thank you so much for taking a moment of your day to check this video out. I know there's lots of options out there, and I'm flattered you chose one of mine. I know we do things a little different around here, but I hope you like what you saw. Now, for you really cool kids who didn't do it at the beginning of this video, here's a second chance for you. You're going to see a symbol popping up right down here. That's going to bring you right to subscribe. Please go ahead and destroy that button, and then when you destroy that one, terminate the bell icon that's right next to it. That's going to notify you every single time I upload a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, guess what? Ooh, God, that's beautiful. 2 are going to pop up over here. Those are going to be ones that YouTube is going to select from my catalog of videos that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Gerber U.S. Assist S30V. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.